How to book flight tickets in Airpaz. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to book flight tickets in Airpaz. So in the Airpaz, to book a flight ticket right here, all we need to do is open up our Airpaz right here. Once we open up our Airpaz right here, next thing we need to do is to book ourselves a ticket. We're just gonna go back because we're here at the hotel booking. So now to book ourselves a ticket right here, all we need to do is click on over here on the flights. After pressing on the flights over there, as you can see, after pressing on the flights over there, next thing we need to do is once here at the flights, is click on ourselves. We can choose one way, multi-city, or round trip. So we're just going to choose one way, choose date, let's say 21 right there. After that, click on done. Then towers, one adult, economy, then it's okay. Okay, let's choose a location, don't allow. Choose Hong Kong to, but let's say don't allow. Let's say Philippines. I just have to wait for a few moments because it's a little bit of a lags. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, we just have to wait for a few moments right here. So there you go. Like Manila. And there you go. After pressing on Manila right there, next thing we need to do is click on search flight. Then once we are searching a flight, choose a flight, for example this one right here. Then choose that, then select. Okay, that's all good. Now click on checkout. Now we just have to wait for a few moments. Here we just need to put in our, what we call this, our, if we have any extra baggage or whatnot, and passenger details. We put there, enter our details right there, name and what, and then after putting that right there, contact details like number, email, and then after putting all of that, if we want extra baggage, we can just click on continue. Then the last part of this is enter in your what you call this, email. Yeah, I mean your credit card number or debit card number for your confirmation pay. After putting that in, you just need to click on confirm and check out. So there you go, guys. That's how I do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question or concerns, type it down question below, guys. We'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible in here. How to rock it, guys. And thank you, guys.